We started this as the way that we would connect with our members and talk about advocacy last year, an opportunity for the members of the society to ask really the policy experts what we're doing, the activities that the society is involved in, and also how they can get involved. I think it's an exciting time in policy. There's certainly a lot going on that's impacting our researchers, and it's an opportunity for them to ask their questions and kind of either put their minds at ease or just better understand the process that's affecting them. As opposed to having a lecture where people just talk at you for an hour and a half, we have an event where people talk at us and ask us questions. So really, it's kind of a choose your own adventure sort of talk, which is unusual at a scientific conference like this. It's a different way to do this. We enjoyed last year. We saw an uptick in involvement, in follow through, and we're really excited to continue that this year in San Diego. And so step one is to do something, and really anything, whether it's just writing a letter to your member of Congress, whether it's going to one of your member Congress's town halls and letting them know what your opinions are, or if you want to ramp it up from there, writing a letter to the editor of your local paper, holding an event somewhere in your community that talks about the science that's going on in their backyard and where the funding comes from and how it's going to benefit people. There are a lot of different avenues that people can take, a lot of different choices. It's the policies that are made in Washington, either through Congress and through funding policies, or through grant writing policies that come out of the National Institutes of Health or the National Science Foundation, that really steer and direct the nation's scientific enterprise in the direction that it's going to be going this year, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and really have your voice heard so that you can be nudging things and influencing the direction that we go. If the question is when to do it, the answer is now. If the question is who's to do it, anybody, really any one of you can do it.